Let's solve this problem about finding the velocity of a train. A train travels a distance described by the equation s of t equals 3t plus 1/8 t squared meters in t seconds. We need to find its velocity after 5 minutes. To find the velocity, we need to take the derivative of the position function with respect to time. The velocity v of t equals ds dt. When we differentiate 3t plus 1/8 t squared, we get 3 plus 1/4 t. Before we plug in 5 minutes, we need to convert it to seconds. 5 minutes equals 300 seconds. Now, we can substitute t equals 300 into our velocity equation. Let's calculate this step by step. 1/4 times 300 is 75. Adding 3 gives us 78 meters per second. This is the train's velocity after 5 minutes. To verify this makes sense, notice that as time increases, the velocity increases linearly. This means the train is constantly accelerating, which we can see from the t squared term in the original position function.